Hello everyone, I'm Alma. I hope you're having a nice day. Today we have launched our Ultimate Shift Dress add-on pack. It's very exciting. So the Ultimate Shift Dress is one of our most popular patterns, and now you can make even more versions of it with this add-on pack. For the version that I'm wearing, I've added the frill at the bottom, and to do that there are some instructions, some clear instructions included in the add-on pack to show you where to shorten the bodice pieces, how to grade them out as well, so you get a bit more room. And you also get another sleeve piece that's a little bit wider at the bottom to accommodate this cute little elasticated cuff. And we've also got this tie cuff option in the add-on pack. You will get the pattern piece to create the tie, and you will also get the instructions to create this beautiful little binding around the sleeve opening, and this attaches to the regular Ultimate Shift Dress sleeve pattern piece. And the length of the dress is just the regular length of the Ultimate Shift Dress, but it has this cute little extra detail on the cuffs, which I think makes it look extra special. To make this pattern, both the original and the add-on version, we recommend using something like a viscose twill, which is what I'm wearing now. We've got lots on the website, or just the viscose, or even a crepe, or a cotton lawn. There's so many fabrics that work with this pattern, and if you want something with movement, a viscose twill is really good, and it's really easy to sew as well. It's nice. To use the add-on pack, you will need the Ultimate Shift Dress sewing pattern, and so we've given you a great offer. You can buy them as a bundle and get 35% off the Ultimate Shift Dress sewing pattern. So you will get all that information in the add-on pack, plus some extra pattern pieces. And if you combine that with the original Ultimate Shift Dress sewing pattern, you will literally have a million different dresses that you can make. It's amazing. We can't wait to see the versions that you make. Please tag us on Instagram and use the hashtag SOI Shift Add-on so we can see what you make. We can't wait to see it. Bye.